Hello students, today will we discuss about small talk at the office. Okay, आज हम जो पढ़ेंगे यूनिट फर्स्ट है डेवलपिंग कन्वर्सेशनल एबिलिटी, जो कि आपकी फंक्शनल इंग्लिश में है. ओके, तो हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे स्मॉल टॉक. द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू द अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ टू मेक स्मॉल टॉक इज टू अंडरस्टैंड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्मॉल टॉक. Basically, small talk is a short, friendly conversation about a common topic. Small talk can take place among friends, co-workers, or strangers. One reason why the ability to make small talk in business setting is so important is because small talk allow people to be friendly at work without getting too personal. यानी कि जो स्मॉल टॉक होती है, यानी छोटी बात, इसको हम कैसे करें, इसे समझने के लिए पहला कदम है छोटी सी बात की परिभाषा को समझना. यानी जो स्मॉल टॉक होती है एक जनरली एक विषय के बारे में एक छोटी सी बातचीत होती है. ये फ्रेंड्स या आपके सहकर्मी हैं या अजनबियों के बीच छोटी छोटी बातें हो सकती हैं. कई कंपनियों व्यावसायिक संगठनों के कर्मचारियों के लिए नियम है कि किस प्रकार का व्यवहार और बातचीत स्वीकार्य है. जब छोटी छोटी बातों का सही उपयोग किया जाता है तो ये कंपनी के दिशा निर्देशों या सामाजिक नियमों को तोड़े बिना लोगों को अच्छी तरह से संवाद करने में मदद करती है. अब स्मॉल टॉक ऑफिस में करते हैं तो उस पर किन किन चीज़ों पर फोकस करना चाहिए. ओके, फर्स्ट है फोकस ऑन कनेक्शन ओवर परफेक्शन. गेटिंग कॉट अप इन हाउ अदर्स परसीव यू कैन sabotage your ability to connect with others rather than worrying about saying the right thing. Karya recommended easing the pressure on yourself and going into conversation with a sense of curiosity. If you focus on being genuinely curious about the other person's life rather than the fear of saying the wrong thing, you will find it's much easier to have a conversation, Karya said. It can also be helpful to remember that other people are likely not paying much attention to you because they are typically worried about themselves. Okay? यानी कि दूसरों को आप कैसे समझते हैं, किस तरीके से खुद से जोड़ने की अपनी क्षमता को आप बढ़ा सकते हैं, सही बात कहने की चिंता करने के बजाय खुद पर दबाव कम करना, जिज्ञासा की भावना के साथ बातचीत करना. ओके, इसमें क्या होता है कि यदि आप गलत बात कहने के डर के बजाय दूसरे व्यक्ति के जीवन के बारे में वास्तव में उत्सुक होने पर ध्यान केंद्रित करते हैं तो आप पाएंगे कि बातचीत करना बहुत ज़्यादा आसान है. ये याद रखना भी सहायक होता है कि अन्य लोग आप पर अधिक ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं क्योंकि वे आमतौर पर अपने बारे में चिंतित होते हैं. नेक्स्ट है आस्क ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस दैट इलिसिट पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्सेज. It has been a rough year and many people are tired of talking about depressing topics. Karya suggested asking questions that require your conversational partner to think about interesting and positive experiences from their life. When we have a conversation, we want to be uplifted and feel happy, especially when leave the interaction. Karya said you might ask them about something interesting they have been working on over the past couple of months or where they are most looking forward to going on holiday when the world gets back to some level of normalcy. He also recommended asking open-ended questions rather than something that only requires a one-word response. यानी कि जब हम बातचीत करते हैं तो हम खुश महसूस करना चाहते हैं, खासकर जब हम बातचीत छोड़ देते हैं. ओके, उन्हें केवल एक शब्द के उत्तर की आवश्यकता वाली चीज़ के बजाय खुले अंत वाले प्रश्न पूछने की सिफारिश की है. नेक्स्ट है यूज योर सराउंडिंग्स. द एनवायरमेंट यू आर इन ऑफर्स वैल्यूएबल कन्वर्सेशन मटेरियल अकॉर्डिंग टू Karya. इफ़ यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग with what exactly to say, one technique is to look around for potential conversation starters. For example, if you notice a book on your colleague's desk, you could could say that looks interesting. What's about? You can look at your surroundings and leverage that to have a conversation. But I think that important point here is to be curious about the other person and just focus on forming authentic relationship. Next, share something small but personal about yourself. Small talk has a reputation for being a waste of time and breath, but these small interactions can actually be the building blocks for deeper connections. Karya recommended sharing something small but meaningful about yourself during these conversations. For example, you could share that you recently switched career, just took up a new hobby, or had a baby. Anything you feel was a rich and positive experience in your life and has taken place over the last couple of months is good thing to share because it helps create that authentic conversation. Next, take advantage of available tools and resources. If you are hoping to brush up on your social skills before returning to the office, online and offline resources are available. Okay. Genova recommended joining a group on meetup.com, participating in a Toastmasters international educational program, connecting with a speaking circles facilitator in your area, or hiring a public speaking coach to prepare for a return to the office. Books and videos also can help you improve your small talk skills. Pete Stick is a freelance writer based in the US. To comment on his article or the suggest an idea for another article, contact Drew Adamek NFM magazine. कुछ conversation starts to get you talking at work. Starting a new job can be nerve-wracking for a variety of reasons, but the quickest way to get comfortable and start setting in is to get know your new co-workers. You will seeing them quite a bit, and having a good relationship with them will make your workday easier and more enjoyable. But how do you come up with more interesting topics to talk about than the weather? Should you find yourself stuck on how to best spark a conversation with a new colleague, consider these easy and effective conversation. Okay. Learn more about the area, asking about places to eat or where employee go for fun are great conversation starters. Oftentimes, a group of co-workers will go out together and talk over lunch, or they may have a favorite place to recommend it, and some may offer to go with you. While it may seem intimidating at first, try to avoid sitting at your desk quietly during lunch. It's the easiest and most appropriate time to communicate with those around you. Small talk tips. There are several phrases you can use to begin and keep a small talk conversation going. For instance, do you like? इस तरीके से हम अपनी कन्वर्सेशन को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. हैव यू सीन हियर? व्हाट डिड यू थिंक ऑफ? आई रियली एंजॉयड. आई हैव हियर्ड गुड थिंग्स अबाउट. या हैव यू एवर बीन टू आई डो दैट? हु? व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट? इस तरीके से हम अपनी टॉक को स्मॉल टॉक को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. रिमेंबर व्हेन यू मेक स्मॉल टॉक यू वांट टू लिसन मोर देन यू स्पीक. इफ़ यू टॉक टू मच द other person may become bored. One of the best ways to keep conversation going is to ask questions and listen carefully to the other person's answers. Okay. Chances are you will need help in new job anyway, so why not use it as a way to start getting to know those around you. Offer to help even while you are still in the learning process. You can offer assist your teammates with their working during your downtime. Should someone accept, you can begin talking about the project at hand, but if they decline, you can still ask about the project to get a feel for what others are working on around the office. ब्रिंग अप करंट इवेंट्स या कोई करंट इवेंट्स के ऊपर आप टॉक स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। लाइक वाइज टॉक अबाउट अप्रोप्रिएट करंट इवेंट्स इफ़ यू हैव अ न्यूज़ पेपर विद यू फ्रॉम योर commute in to work. Ask if anyone's heard about a recent story and pass it around to anybody who might be interested. Keep your pulse on industry news. Industry news is another more focused source of conversation. Stay up to date on topics relevant to your industry and your department. Inevitably, you should find something that will initiate a great conversation with one or more of your co-workers and could learn something in the process. After over a year of interacting with colleagues and clients through a computer screen, many people are anxious about returning to the office and having to make small talk again. It will take time to get used to having these conversations in person, and that's okay, said Akash Karia, speaker and author of Small Talk Hacks, who is based in Hong Kong. You will mess up and have those awkward silences, but don't feel bad. You will learn throughout that process. If you are worried about the return of small talk, try implementing these 5 tips for getting comfortable talking to others in professional setting again. Okay. Oftentimes, asking about places to eat or where employees go for fun are great conversation starters. Oftentimes, a group of co-workers will go out together and talk over lunch, or that may have a favorite place to recommend it and some may offer to go with you. Okay? इस तरीके से हम अपनी एक स्मॉल टॉक को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।